Hello folks, and welcome to this new video. I'm very excited to come back to you with a new abstract reasoning test, and today we will just look at some logics. So we'll try to find the figure that comes next in the sequence. So without further ado, let's get started. 1 minute. Ready, steady, go. So time is up, and let's look at the answer. If you have tried during the past minute, then you probably started by counting the number of white circles and black circles. Then you notice that there are 5 black circles here, then 7, 5, then 7, and here you have the opposite, 7, 5, 7, 5. So logically you would expect now 7 white circles and 5 black circles, right? Yeah, maybe what will take some time is to check which one here corresponds. Here we have 4 white circles, so no. Here we have 6, 6, so no. 6 again here, so no. And here we have 5 and 7, but then it's the same as here, so with no here. And then the E, which is 7 white circles and 5 black circles, is what we are looking for. So E is the correct answer. Did you find it out? Yeah, that was pretty easy. Well, still it needs some concentration to spot it. Let's move to the next question, and yeah, again we will find the figure that comes next in the sequence. Ready, steady, go. Okay, so you had 1 minute to think about what option is the best here, and yes, I'm sure you figured out that the intersection between the two figures within inside here is becoming one of the figures here. So there is a triangle in the intersection between the rectangle and the big triangle here, and that triangle becomes one of the big figures here. Then here we have an intersection with a circle, So the intersection gives us yeah, like not exactly half a circle, which becomes one of the figures. Okay, so here you will see that in the fourth figure here, the intersection gives us a disk sector. Okay, and that disk sector is expected to be in the one of the big figures next time. So we can already safely eliminate this, same for this one, because this one is misleading. But here the sector is actually again an intersection, not a main uh, shape. So B is what we are looking for. So how easy did you find this? Did you like this test? Then if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button and activate the notification bell. That way you will be notified next time that I make new videos. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to do that. And thank you very much for your support. And until next time, take care. Peace.